Want to create eye-catching Instagram stories like this?
In this video, we're going to show you how to add some clean and animated titles to your Instagram stories using Filmstocks.
Hi everyone, Chris and Christina here with Wondershare Filmstocks, and we are here to help you make better videos and empower your inner video creator.
Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on other tips that can help you make better videos.
Whether you are showing your creative work, selling a product, keeping your friends up to date with where you are in the world, or simply just documenting your everyday life.
Whether it's for personal use or for business use, we all use Instagram stories to do it. Instagram stories is just a real quick and easy way to keep your followers up to date. And if you can make those stories eye-catching and appealing without taking too much extra time, then why wouldn't you?
Filmstocks makes it really easy for your Instagram stories to stand out and keep your branding on point using the Instagram Titles Pack.
Having animated graphics on your stories is just very eye-catching and will make you stand out amongst all the other stories on Instagram, and that's the great thing about this pack, is all the titles are animated. You can use these Instagram titles in your Instagram stories for really whatever you want. For example, you could use it as a location tag like this.
You can even use them to promote a new post or a new video or even a new product, something like this.
You could also use them to create title screens for your Instagram story highlights.
Okay, so let's jump into Filmora 10 and show you just how easy it is to do. So the first thing you will need is of course Filmora 10, so if you haven't upgraded that or downloaded it, you can click the link in the description to get started. So now that we're in our Filmora video editor, I will show you how to get the Instagram Titles Pack. All you have to do is click on Wondershare Filmstock and then search for the Instagram Titles Pack and it will pop up here. Click download on that and that will download into your Filmora video editor. And because the Instagram Titles Pack only includes titles, of course, you will find it in the title section up here at the top. So just click on that, find Filmstock, and you will see Instagram Titles Pack. And you will see here there are 28 animated titles ready to use. So they are actually very easy to use. Most of them don't even require much explanation. Mostly it's just a case of dragging the title onto your own footage and then changing the text in it. It's as easy as that. The best thing about titles like this is that you can use them with really any type of footage. So here you can see we have footage of a coffee, footage of your dog, or even footage of your travels. Whatever you do, these titles will definitely work for you. But let's just run through a few examples of how you can do this.
So for this first example, we decided to use this title because we thought it would work well as a location tag in the lower corner of the frame. So all we had to do was drag the title onto the screen, drag it to the lower corner of the frame, resize it a little bit, change the text, and that's all you need to do. And similar to the previous example, here is another title that we've used as a location tag. This title we thought would fit better in the center of the screen, and it's just a really clean animated title that you can use to display a location, for example, or whatever else you would like to use over your story.
Some of these titles can also be very good to use to promote something. So maybe you're promoting a product or a course or a new video or something that you want people to see. These titles will help you do that and make it stand out a little bit. So again, all you have to do is drag it over your footage or your picture, change the text to whatever you want, whether it's new video or new product or whatever it is you want to write. You can change the color of the text, make it bigger, smaller, customize it to whatever you think looks good for you and your brand. There is also a title in this pack that is used specifically for quotes, so if you're a quote lover, then this one might be for you. You can add it to your footage or photos and have whatever quote it is that you find inspirational. Any quotes that you love, you can pop them on there. It's important to remember that you can customize these titles to suit your needs. So for this one, for example, I actually got rid of the text at the top. I just felt that it suited the clip a little better if there was just the text within the box. But it's completely up to you. You can customize it whatever way you want to suit your needs. So now there's no excuse for not having good Instagram stories, so give this one a try for yourself. So there you have it, a very easy way for you to add some very cool animated Instagram titles to your Instagram stories.
So give this one a try for yourself. The link will be in the description so you can download the Instagram title pack from Filmstock.
So try it out, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next one.
I don't even know. I don't even have it in my head what it is. Like.